Are you struggling to effectively market your small business? Many entrepreneurs face this challenge daily. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to leverage your marketing strategy without spending a fortune. By the end, you'll understand the essentials of modern marketing and how to implement them for success. Let's start with online marketing basics. First, differentiate marketing from advertising. Marketing encompasses broader strategies to promote your business online. Next, dive into e-marketing strategies. Use effective tools like email campaigns, SEO, and viral marketing. These tools are simple to implement. Now focus on market research. Understanding your target audience is crucial. Create a business plan that identifies customer needs and competitive pricing. Then, move to website and e-commerce tips. Get practical advice on web design and customer retention strategies. Finally, explore guerrilla marketing techniques. These low-cost methods can lead to significant results, even with a tight budget. To summarize, remember these key takeaways. 1. Understand the basics of online marketing. 2. Utilize effective e-marketing strategies. 3. Conduct thorough market research. 4. Optimize your website and e-commerce. 5. Implement guerrilla marketing technique. Now it's time to apply what you've learned. Download the free marketing guide to enhance your small business marketing efforts today.